Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about TIN number and how you can find it. But before we start, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also share this video. So when I first got this mail on the, I don't know, I can't remember when I got this mail, but we all got this mail, especially when you're a monetized channel, saying I should update or provide my tax information. I was like, wait, what? So I was like, okay, like, is that even possible here in Nigeria? Yes, sis, hold on, it is possible here in Nigeria. So before we start, what is TIN number? Your TIN number is your tax identification number, which is unique to every individual or corporate body for the purpose of tax payment. So where can I find my tax, or where can I get my tax number? So there are different ways you can get your TIN number. You can either get it from their website, or you walk up to any of their offices to obtain your TIN number. All you need to do is to provide your means of identification and your BVN number. So in every, I think it differs from office to office depending on the place, the office you visit. You can either be asked to provide you can either be asked to type an application letter or to fill a form. But in my case, I was asked to type an application letter, which I'm going to be inserting the format for typing your application letter. So I watched a video that says you can easily generate your tax number by yourself if you go to their website, which is a tim.gtb.gov.ng. I think so. Yeah, I'm going to put it on the screen that you can generate your tax number by yourself. But I tried doing that and I was unsuccessful about it. So I watched another video and the video said you can easily walk up to their office and you can get your tax number. So what I did was that I went to the FIRS number, which stands for Federal Inland Revenue Services, or the LIRS number, which stands for Lagos Inland Revenue Service. So you can go to any of their tax office, the federal or the Lagos state tax payments offices, to get your tax number. Upon getting to the office, I submitted the letter and they were like, okay, I should go and come back in the next 10 days. And I was like, no ma'am, I don't have 10 days. I have only today to submit the PIN number, because I read from somewhere that you can actually get your number that same day. And I was like, no way, I'm not moving from here until you give me my TIN number. So she was like that she's very busy, that she cannot generate my PIN right now, that she go and come back in the next 3 days. I was like, no ma'am, that please do whatever you can to help me with this number, and I need this number unfailingly today. So she was like, okay, let her see what she can do. She talked to her colleague, and the colleague was like, okay, that he will be able to generate the number for me, and that I should give him 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, he gave me my PIN number. So I'm going to be walking you guys through filling in your tax identification number. So let's get into it.
So the first thing you do, you come to your Google AdSense homepage like so, and then you click on your manage tax information. This is it. I'm cycling it right now. Then you allow it to load up. So of my network. So when it's opened, so here you're going to be asked to choose the type of account, which is the individual, as for my case, and then you're going to be asked if you're a citizen of the United States, which I'm not, so you're going to select the no. Then next up, you're going to be asked to select the type of form. The first one is for the non-US citizen, while the second one is for the US citizen. So I'm going to choose the first one, which is the WBEN. So next, it's going to load up a form where your name will be fully written. So I kind of blurred out my own. I'm going to cover my information just for security reasons, and then you're going to fill out all the information that you're going to be asked to fill. So you're going to choose your country. As for me, I'm going to choose Nigeria because I'm Nigerian, and then you scroll all the way down to where you have your foreign TIN number. So for me, I entered the one I got from the FIRS office. So I'm going to impute it, and after that, you're going to click on the next button. So next up is going to bring your address page. Then you're going to impute your address in the address line 1, and make sure to click on the permanent resident as your PO box. And next you select your city of residence. Since I'm in Lagos, I'm going to insert Lagos, and then enter your postal code for your city that you're in. So I entered the postal code for Lagos, and I covered that up just so you don't think it's the same for everybody. So I'm going to select Lagos since I'm in Lagos State right now, and then also check your mailing address box. So next you click on the next button and it will take you to the page of your tax treaty. So here you're going to be asked if your country has a tax treaty with the United States. Since my country doesn't have a treaty with the United States, I'm going to select the no and then click on the next button. So here it's going to bring you to the confirmation page where you're going to click on it to confirm that you are the one that filled the form, and then you click on the next button. This place, it brings you to the certification page where in place of the signature you're going to input your full name as it is written in your Google AdSense page. Next, click yes if you're the person listed as the signatory to this account, and no if you are not, and then click on the next button. So you're going to be asked if you've done any form of Google activity within the US. If you have, you say yes. If you have not, you say no. And since I have not, I said no. And then you're going to be asked if you're providing this tax information for an existing payment account. You click yes if you have, and no if you're not, and then you submit it. And then within some seconds to 1 minute, your form will be approved.
And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.